In this episode, I'll show you how to create these colorful, translucent pendants that remind me of nigiri sushi. I conditioned and rolled out a small sheet of black clay to number 3 on my clay machine. I textured the sheet using the Chex texture sheet and an acrylic roller. I carefully cut away most of the textured clay surface with a clay blade. I put the textured sheet aside. I roughly chopped up about 2 ounces of translucent clay. I sprinkled the Stream and Wild Plum alcohol inks on the clay rubble, and then the lime mica gloss ink. I tore small bits of the gold leaf and sprinkled them over the clay rubble, and then used my clay blade to chop and blend the clay inks and gold leaf together. With my hands, I rolled and compressed the clay rubble until it was compacted and shaped into a square log. After the log sat overnight, I cut thin slices, setting each slice aside. I conditioned and rolled out another sheet of translucent clay to number 3 on my clay machine. I used one of my etch and pearl tools to place each slice on the translucent sheet, slightly overlapping them. I placed a thin slice of the textured black clay stack on the center of another translucent sheet. I cut a piece of the layered clay sheet and placed it on the translucent sheet on the right side of the black clay. I cut another piece of the layered sheet and placed it on the left side. I placed a sheet of paper over the assembled clay sheets and lightly pressed them with the acrylic roller to adhere them. I cut 2 pendant shapes with my teardrop cutter, and then cut a small hole in the tip of each pendant. I baked the pendants at 275 degrees for 20 minutes. Once cooled, I coated each piece with Duraclear gloss varnish. I attached a large split ring to each pendant. I attached the barrel clasp to the end of the chain and looped the chain through the large split ring and repeated this with the second pendant. For a list of project supplies and tools, please visit our website.